Do you ever feel like you're running a race you never signed up for? Emails piling up, endless notifications buzzing, and your to-do list growing faster than you can manage? Stress seems inescapable. But what if there's a way to rise above the chaos? Imagine facing life's storms with calm, unshakable confidence. That's where the wisdom of Stoicism comes in, a philosophy born thousands of years ago, yet perfectly suited to our modern lives. In this video, we'll uncover the 3 Stoic secrets to overcoming stress in modern life. These timeless strategies will empower you to reclaim your peace and thrive, no matter what challenges come your way. One of the fundamental teachings of Stoicism is simple yet profound. Focus on what you can control and let go of what you cannot. Imagine you're stuck in traffic, running late for an important meeting. Frustration builds, and your mind races with what-ifs. But here's the truth, the traffic isn't in your control, but your response to it is. Epictetus reminds us, it's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. By shifting your focus to what you can control, like your breathing, listening to a calming podcast, or using the time to prepare mentally, you transform stress into an opportunity for growth. Take a moment today to draw your own circle of control. List what's truly in your hands and what's not. You might be surprised at how liberating this practice is. Have you ever imagined what your life would be like if you lost something precious, a loved one, a job, or even your health? While it may sound unsettling, the Stoics practice this intentionally. It's called negative visualization, and it's a powerful way to reduce stress and cultivate gratitude. For example, think about your morning coffee. Now imagine waking up one day and not having it. No aroma, no warmth in your hands. Suddenly, that everyday moment feels special, doesn't it? Marcus Aurelius wrote, "Begin each day by telling yourself, today I shall meet with ingratitude, treachery, deceit." He wasn't being pessimistic. He was preparing himself to handle life's inevitable challenges. When you practice this technique, you'll find yourself worrying less and appreciating more. Try it. Pick one thing you value and imagine your life without it. Then, notice how it feels when you return to the present moment. Stoicism teaches us that comfort is not always our friend. To grow stronger mentally and emotionally, we must embrace voluntary discomfort. This doesn't mean making life harder than it needs to be. It means intentionally stepping out of your comfort zone to prepare for life's challenges. Take cold showers, for example. At first, they're shocking and unpleasant, but over time, they build resilience and discipline. Seneca once wrote, "Set aside a certain number of days during which you shall be content with the scantiest and cheapest fare, so that you may test your ability to endure." You don't have to live like a Stoic all the time. But once a week, try something that makes you uncomfortable. Skip a luxury. Take a challenging hike or spend time alone without distractions. These practices prepare you for the unexpected and make life's comforts more meaningful. Stress is an inevitable part of modern life, but Stoicism offers timeless solutions. By focusing only on what you can control, practicing negative visualization, and embracing voluntary discomfort, you can transform stress into strength. Remember, Stoicism isn't about denying life's challenges. It's about facing them with wisdom, clarity, and courage. Now, it's your turn. Which Stoic secret will you try first? Share your journey in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more wisdom to better your life.